Hi everyone! So today we are doing the no thumbs makeup challenge. Again, it's going to be 10 minutes and we are going to bind our thumbs down so we don't cheat and use it.
This time, yes, we are using makeup brushes and stuff. It's
we're allowed to use everything, but we're just
literally just doing things with
bounded down.
Okay, so we're also going to put our wig caps on first.
Okay,
Alright.
so now we're going to bind our thumbs down.
Oh, this is annoying.
Oh, this is like almost like when your foot's cramping.
Yep.
And you think it's like you're gonna die.
The Liliana and Maria Show. Meow! Okay, so.
Alright. So we're gonna start
I'm
it.
so annoyed with this right now. I'm so annoyed.
I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Ready? Go. Woo!
Holy.
Hey, you already took that off?
No.
Cheater.
Was it off, wasn't it? Oh, no. I have to look at how I...
Something. Oh no, we don't have sponges ready.
Oh, good thing they're right there, ready to grab.
I can't squeeze it! Oh my gosh. I actually can't squeeze it.
There.
I feel like teamwork should have been part of this video. Oh no. Maria!
Wait, you have to show it.
I couldn't show it. Like, Jesus. That was hard.
All these makeup challenges, it's not getting easier.
Oh my goodness.
Your thumbs are numb? There's so much powder everywhere.
Hold. Oh my gosh.
This is ridiculous.
How am I doing it? I'm not. It actually looks like you're using your thumbs. But she can't because her actual thumbs are binded.
Like, bitch, are you cheating?
How are you going so quick? I'm still on foundation. I'm going quick and I have a freaking beard. That's why. That's what's happening right now. And I don't know. I've learned from other 10-minute challenges. You need to move forward. Oh, Maria, how? What? How am I gonna? Oh, I'm just using the same brush because I'm already holding it.
Why are all the blushes closed?
What's our time?
5:06, 5:04.
People actually do this no thumbs challenge? I don't know. Did you just make this up? I don't think so. Oh, I thought you saw it trending on that channel. I'm sure it's out there somewhere.
Where's your Anastasia list?
Oh God, closed.
Oh no. Oh no!
You really going for that?
That was hard.
I'm gonna go for the pencil. it's not showing. 4 minutes.
I like that we've been able to use our colorful colors. Miss Colors. Eyebrows will never be equal.
Fuck it. Oh. Two minutes.
Still tacky.
Nope. Nope.
It dry? Yeah. No. No, I don't have time for it to.
I'm gonna get lipstick on this time. Oh, cool. This lipstick's like not even showing.
My lips. Yeah. It's not showing my lips. What is this bullshit?
This lip's glossy.
Miss Glossy.
Yeah. 30 seconds. Fuck this wig. It doesn't sit on me. We both look rock and roll because we've got this. But I don't have rock and roll lipstick. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Yeah, opening things was the legit hardest thing. Like, you can't do anything. But the brushes I could hold on my right side of my face was easier. Anytime I had to cross over it, I need to take them off.
Alright, so I was able to get my wig on this time and lipstick, even though you can't even see it, so it was pointless to put any lipstick on. So that was the 10-minute challenge with no thumbs.
Definitely a challenge. Especially trying to open up your freaking eyebrow stuff. Still not my best drag. And I kind of cheated because I only did one eyeshadow. Near the end I tried to do two. But I got carried away in this forest green. Or it's actually called Anaconda. So.
Anaconda green. It looks like I have a beehive because my hair ties up there. That was our most challenging one yet. So
tell us what you think.
Tell us how we did.
Give us a like, subscribe, share. Follow us on Facebook as well as Instagram, LilianaMariaShow. And tell us of any other challenges that you would like us to try.
And remember, if you can't laugh at yourself,
how the hell do you live?